always say that when I discover the world, that I discover myself. And there's no better way to find yourself than by sitting by a waterfall and listening to its music.
So today we're taking a waterfall day. We're going to be exploring 2 different waterfall parks just outside of the city of Kanchanaburi in Thailand. So follow us around. We'll show you what it's like and why you simply must take a waterfall day when you come to Kanchanaburi.
We are Kendra and David, an American couple who sold everything to travel the world and experience all it has to offer. The pandemic left us stranded in Thailand, but our journey is far from over. So please be sure to subscribe to the channel to follow us throughout Thailand and throughout the world. Each new episode will help you imagine, plan, and live your travel dreams. So let's get started. So our first fall of the day is called Erwan Falls, which is about an hour drive outside of the city of Kanchanaburi. And this waterfall is unique because it's 7 different levels, 7 different tiers. And the park is about 2 kilometers in total. And you get to the first tier of the waterfall in about, 500 meters? So pretty close.
Okay guys, so we're right now at the first level of 7 levels of the waterfall. And I tell you what, it's really gorgeous. The water is crystal clear. And there's a school of fish over here. And it looks like you could just reach right down and grab one, and they're huge. You can feel the energy from this waterfall. I love waterfalls. You can feel energy from the waterfall, and it's really amazing. It's peaceful, it's beautiful. It's something you have to see for yourself.
Level 2 is even more beautiful. I mean, this place keeps getting better and better.
So you can sit here, look at the beautiful view, and admire the fish at your feet. They have life vests if you want to swim. Swimming is allowed.
This park is very well laid out with lots of clear signs to follow.
Level 3 is simply stunning though.
David decided to go swimming at level 3, but it didn't take long for the fish to start biting.
So you gotta wear a life vest if you're gonna go swimming. So David's out there all by himself, enjoying. Oh, now you see. See, I got out the water because the fish were biting me, and now the fish are biting him. The fish got you?
I was trying to get close to the fall, but the fish wouldn't let me.
The fish, they were biting hard.
They were aggressive. Fish are scary.
See, I was gonna walk out there too, but the fish started eating me and I got out immediately. David had to try it for himself. He got all the way to the middle and had to come back out because they kept eating him too much. It tickles too bad. I mean, they're not gonna do any damage to you, but they're like eating your dead skin cells. Man, and it doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good, even though it doesn't cause any marks on you at all, but it tickles like crazy.
Next, it was off to level number 4.
So the stairs to get to level 4 are a bit taller than an average stair. So you're gonna get a little out of breath going to level 4.
On the way to level 4, you get to see these nice mountain views and the beautiful blue waters at level 4. Heading to fall number 5,
you will see a lot of unnamed waterfalls. It's crazy how many there are.
The trail to level 6 and 7 is under renovation.
So we will not be going to level 7, it appears. But even 5 level of falls is amazing. So Erwan Falls definitely gets 10 out of 10 stars in my opinion. Lovely experience. Beautiful falls. Thumbs up to the national park. Our next stop was Huay Maekamin Waterfalls, which is an hour away from Erwan Falls. On the way, you can stop to see great views of the lake.
So now we're going to show you around this amazing national park with great views of the sea and of waterfalls.
Maekamin has 7 beautiful levels of waterfalls.
The waterfalls at Maekamin are significantly bigger and more powerful than the falls at Erwan Falls. Both parks are equally gorgeous.
So you can see the trails are nice, flat, with great views all the way around. Are crazy beautiful. The water is so cold though, it's not for me to get in. But all you that like a chili dip, go for it. I did sit on the edge to get a few Instagram photos. I'm literally in awe. This is so stunning. Now we're pretty sure this sign says what level we are and which fall that is, but we can't read it. If you can only do one of the parks, I dare say you should just come straight out to Huay Maekamin Waterfall Park. But they are totally both worth doing. The world is just so beautiful. Hope you get out to see it. So if you enjoyed seeing these waterfalls, please give the video a like and leave us a comment about which park was your favorite. And please don't forget to subscribe to follow the journey throughout Thailand and throughout the world. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for sharing and helping the channel to grow. And take care till next time.